Assalamualaikum. DAE second annual 2021 Computer Architecture Electronics third year paper B part A. First, to convert assembly language into machine language dash is used assembler. Next, dash processor cycles are used in immediate addressing mode 2. Next, the code of operation is called opcode. Next, the language easily understandable by human is called dash language, high level language. Next, an emulator is a software. Next, to request DMA operation, logic 1 is given at hold. Next, EOP stands for end of process. Next, the address of memory during DMA operation is stored in current address register. Next, ISA stands dash for in computer architecture instruction set architecture. Next, dash is used as interrupt request IRQ2 to IRQ7. Next, NMI is a dash interrupt input edge triggered. Next, processing capacity of microcontroller is dash than microprocessor less. Next, program counter of 8051 is a dash register 16 bits. Next, in 8051 size of bit addressable RAM is 16 bytes. Next, to write data on memory dash pin are used CS and write pin.